Hello everybody. So in today's video we're going to be looking at anchor tag. Anchor tag, yeah. So anchor tag is it's a means in HTML at which we use in creating links, so we can move from a certain page to another page or from one document to another document. Right. So normally links allows us to click our way from page to pages, right? And HTML links are called hyperlinks. The reason why it's called hyperlinks is that it needs to be attached to either a text or an image that you can click on in order to move to another document or move to another page. And to create an anchor tag in HTML, you use the A tag. All right, use the A tag. So let's go to our text editor and see how to create that. All right. Okay, so let's create a new file. So I could easily just come here. So you could just come here and click on new file, or you could just click Ctrl N. Anyone is fine. Ctrl N or Command N can create a new file for you. Let's save it first. So let's save it here. Let's call this anchor. All right, anchor.html. all right. So to easily create your basic structure easily, so once you have saved your document first, easily create your basic structure, what you need to do is open your, if you're using Sublime, open your angle bracket, open your tag definitely, then type HTML and click enter. It helps you create it easily. But if you're using VS Code, Visual Studio Code, I think what you need to do is just type this you just type this exclamation mark only, then click enter, or you type DOC and click enter. It brings out your full basic structure for you. So let's call this anchor tag. It's very simple and easy. So remember what I said, to create an anchor tag, what you just need is an A tag. All right, you need an A tag open and close. All right, an A tag open and close. So let's call this remember we said it has to take us from one page to another page, or from one document to another document. All right, so let's call this let's call it Google. Yeah, or let's call it NetDI. All right. So the thing about an anchor tag is that it does not work alone. It requires a href attribute attached to it in order for you to put the destination where the user will be taken to when the user clicks on this anchor tag. All right, let me just open this on my browser first. So good, as you can see that it is not clickable. A link should be clickable, should be able to take me somewhere. So currently it is not clickable now. So we need to attach this href attributes for it to take us to somewhere. All right, so let's do this. So href attributes attached. Now if the user clicks on this, where should the user be taken to? What page are we moving from here to? All right, so that's where we'll bring in the destination for this. So we're going to type inside of this href attribute. So let's say we want to take it to http. So we're taking, let's say we want to take it to NetDI's website, netdi.com. all right, let's save this and go and load our page. So first thing first, what did you notice? So the color of our text has changed to 1. Secondly, it has an underline. Now if I put my mouse on it, can you see my mouse changes from this arrow to a hand? So that means it is now clickable. I can click on it and go somewhere. All right, so let's do this. Let me click on it now. Good. By clicking on it now, you can see that's taking me to another page. So that's what a link is about. Take us from a page to another page, so we can jump from here to another page or see another document. That's what a link is all about. All right, so all these things are called links. So to create a link, you use your anchor tag. You use your anchor tag and you put your href attribute. Now the content of href attribute is what? So it could be http or https. Sorry guys. So http or https. I know definitely if it's your browser will always correct it. So let me just click this without reloading. So if you even check, you find out that it's https, so you can see exactly. So let's just go back. Good. So as I was saying, this carries the destination of where this will take us to. All right, href attribute, it holds the destination of this element, holds the destination of this element. So if I click on this, whatever I put here is going to take me there. So let's say if I put let's say, sorry, Control Z, so let's say I put google.com here, google, and save. I reload this page, so that means if I click on this now, it takes me to what? Google.com. all right, so you see how it works. Good. Now I want to show you something else about it. I want to show you another attribute that comes with the anchor tag. It's called the target attribute. So I'm just going to be teaching you two different values for a target attribute, which is self and blank. So by default, even without this target attribute, by default, your anchor tag is set to self. What self means is that anytime you click your element or you click that anchor tag, it opens on that current page where you are. It opens on that current page where you are. So whether I put self here or not, like we have not done before, the way we didn't attach it before. So whether I put it or not, you can see if I reload this and click on it, it's still going to open on that same current page. That's self attribute. Alright, so that's a target attribute with the value of self. It opens on the current page where you are. So now the next one is what we call blank. So it's underscore self, this one with underscore blank. What underscore blank does is that if you put underscore blank, it opens this page on another page. So it opens that page you're trying to take where you want to go to on another page. So if I click on this, instead of it opening on this current page, it's going to open on another tab. So you can see now it opens on another window or another tab. All right, so you can see it. So to do that, you use the target attribute to do that. And to open your content on another page, you give the target attribute the value of underscore blank, which is this underscore blank. It helps you open this on another page. All right, so this linking that we're doing here is, let's say we're trying to link to a page. Let's say a page that's already been hosted. So what if I want to link to my own page, the page I have on my work? All right, let's say my own HTML page, so that you can see the way we created both. Previously we created a table element, so which we have here, right? So what if I want to link to that page? What do I do? So let's just put our anchor tag here, and let's call this, let's say, view my table. All right. So good. So what do we do? First thing we need to do is to check our file directory. So although this is okay. So first thing first, hold on. Good. So you find out that I have my anchor tag, which is this current page I'm working on, and the table page I want to link you to. They are currently on the same page, which is this UWNG page, right? So you can see if I open and close, I have these two elements on the same page. So because I have them on the same page, it's easy for me to link it. The only thing I need to do is write, what page am I linking? Table.html. I get to my point. So this is only possible because I have these elements on the same page. All right, so now I can link several pages from this particular spot. So what I want to do now is to link my HTML, my table page that I created previously. Now let's give it a target attribute. Let's give a target attribute of blank. All right, and let's save. Now let me close this and reload. So you can see I have NetI anchor tag. I have view my table. So once I click view my table, you can see I have access to this other page that I created. You can see that, right? That's because my elements are both on the same page. That's because my elements are both on the same page, right? My elements are both on the same, in the same folder. Let me say that, sorry. Because these two elements are in the same folder, that's why it's easy for me to link it just like this. So if you have your elements in the same folder, what you need to do is create your anchor tag where you're linking your element to, and just type the name of that directory where you have. So you have table.html, so just type it inside of here, and it gets linked. All right, so that's how you link other pages you have created by yourself. So the first one I did here was how to link a page that is hosted, maybe any of these websites online. The second one I did here is how to link a page you have created yourself. Right, so that's all on anchor tag. All right.